What's up, YouTube? Chris coming back with another video. So in today's video we're going to be talking about, do you think it's an alternator problem that's wrong with the G, or is it the battery? Alright, so I've been doing my y'all see I'm going to work. I've been doing my research, and it doesn't seem like it's the battery. If it was the battery, then the battery would just be low, and once the battery gets low, it'll stop you from like starting your car, right? Everybody had a dead battery before, right? So I started doing more research. I thought it was a starter. I started doing research on the starter. It wasn't a starter, right? So I'm like, damn, okay, on to the next electrical component, which is the alternator. Now, started doing some research on the alternator, and like G37 having alternator problems and the symptoms that they have. And so far, it seems like my alternator is losing its charge. So today I hooked the gauges up and everything. The battery was like 12.6 without the car running. So it's a good battery, but when you start the car, the most power that I'm getting to the battery from the alternator is it's like 13.1, 13.2 at the most. And supposed to be getting at least 13.9 to like 14 volts. My mouth dry as hell. I need to get something to drink. I just brushed my teeth. I'm on my way to work. But yeah, so I think it's an alternator. So what I'm gonna do is I'm trying to find some videos on YouTube about the alternator, but I just can't find none. So I might do it myself. I found a couple, and they said it was hard because you got to disconnect the top radiator hose, and then it's gonna be cooling everywhere, and then you gotta disconnect the radiator itself to pull the radiator back, because the top bolt that's in the radiator, the alternator is too long, and it's gonna hit the fan. So you gotta take all that apart just to get to the alternator. So I might just drop it off at the shop, let them fix it, pick it back up. I know it'll be content for y'all, but I work, so I need my car to get to work. So I can't go a couple days with me messing around with the car and, you know, trying to do this, do that, and fuck it. I'ma just drop the car off, get it done, and we gonna go about our business. So if you ever had that problem before, if you ever had that problem before, just let me know in the comments below. I got police in front of me, so I can't really hit it like I want to hit it. So yeah, guys, this is Chris, short video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Before I end this video, let me know in the comments below what's a good voltage for your car. Some people say 13.1, 13.2, oh, that's good. Then I see some that got like 13.9 to 14 volts. So it's like, you guys tell me. And I also notice when I turn my subs up, like when I turn my music up, when the bass hit, my subs, like the bass throughout the whole car, it just like, it doesn't hit, like it'll fade away. And I know my 212s, they hit. So could it be the alternator, or could it be the battery? I'm confused. I need y'all help. Comment below. See y'all in the next one.